Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a game that's not showing up in OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. Before we dive into the steps, there's one important thing you need to do first. Make sure your game is already open and running on your PC. OBS needs the game to be active in order to detect it properly, so launch your game before following the rest of these steps. Now, locate the OBS Studio application icon on your desktop. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Run as Administrator. Running OBS with administrator privileges gives it the necessary permissions to capture games and other applications without any restrictions, which is crucial for game capture to work properly. Once OBS opens, direct your attention to the Scenes panel. Click the plus icon there, and then click OK to create a new scene. This sets up a fresh workspace where you can add your game capture source. Next, look at the bottom left of your screen where you'll find the Sources panel. Click the plus icon in this section, and from the list of options, select Game Capture. After selecting it, click OK to proceed. This opens the Properties window where you'll configure how OBS captures your game. In the Properties window, navigate to the Mode section. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Capture Specific Window from the available options. This tells OBS to focus on capturing one particular window rather than trying to detect games automatically. Now, find the window option right beside the Mode setting. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and you'll see a list of all currently running applications and games. Select your preferred game from this list. This directly links OBS to the game window you want to capture. Once you've selected your game, click OK to apply these settings. Your game should now appear in the OBS preview window. If you need to adjust the size or position, you can resize the capture by clicking on it and dragging the corners to fit your layout perfectly. However, if your game still doesn't show up after following these steps, there's an alternative method you can try. Go back to the Sources panel at the bottom left and click the plus icon again. This time, select Display Capture from the list and click OK. In the Display Capture Properties window, look for the Display option. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select your preferred monitor or display from the list. Then click OK to apply the settings. Keep in mind that this method will record your entire screen or monitor, so everything visible on that display will be captured, not just the game. And that's it. Your game should now be visible in OBS Studio and ready to record or stream. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.